LMS. How many people are there in this session running the workshops, running the webinars? Throw me in chat box if people are running any workshops or webinars in the internet. For that you need all the setup, and plus you people need the LMS and the community. To manage your community you need the community of the setup, and then you people need the LMS. What is LMS? LMS stands for learning management system. After you people have this learning management system, what are the courses you people have, what are the videos you people have, you people can able to add here. You can able to create the course in less than the 60 seconds. Let me show you how you people can able to get your course done in the less than the 60 seconds in the live. So I'm going to the community, and even you people are the one who have a business owner. What are the business it is? మీరేంటంటే ఒక బిజినెస్ లో ఓకే ఎంప్లాయీస్ ని తీసుకునేటప్పుడు, and what are the training you people need to give. For that you people are having videos, right? You people can able to give the access directly this particular of courses, okay, as a training videos. People going to watch and going to learn by itself, by from their self. You no need to okay train manually. So you can now people are doing with the drive. You no need to, guys. With the drive you people cannot able to scale. We need the clear management. Okay, let me show you with the less than 60. You can able to keep the 60 seconds in your timer also. Let me create. So what is the course I want to create is I want to create how to get people to webinar. How I brought 1,000 people, that is what I am trying to teach. Okay, let's take an example. How to bring 1,000 people to webinar. That is what course, and I'm keeping here and publish and click on the image, and randomly I'm adding one image from here. You people can able to add whatever you want. After click on the copy and select, then after simply click on save. You see there is a save, and add the section is the one chapter. Okay, inside of that one you're going to see the lecture is the one lesson, suppose, and this is the one. First click on the save. So lesson 1 is the one. First people need to create webinar page. How to create webinar page, this is our first particular of the session. Click on the save, and we need to add one video. Simply click on the link here. I'm taking one link from the YouTube. Randomly I'm taking. You can able to take, or else you people can able to upload directly also. So you see here there is a direct of the link, or else you people can able to upload. So click on the upload and upload the video, whatever the one. Okay, suppose you can see there is a video, but with the 1 GB we can't able to. So you can able to see there are so many of the videos. You want to upload this one, simply click on open. So I uploaded. So once after simply click on the save, published. I think it is uploading. Once after upload it is going to publish. Okay, it is saving now. So inside of this particular of the okay chapter we have added one lecture. That is the one how to bring 1,000 people to the webinar. Okay, I want to add the another lecture. What is the next step? Need to bring right customers to landing page. That is the next step. So add the okay another particular of the video, and add the second one, and simply keep this one published, and simply click on the save. Click on this one. You see first video, second video under this chapter. Now I want to create another section. Click on this section is nothing but chapter. Okay, so next particular stage is the one. So scaling, click on save. Now under scaling you people going to see the lessons. You can see under this one we have two. If you people want to keep under this okay other lessons, you can able to. Okay, even here one advantage we are providing to you is unlimited of the storage. First thing, we are not charging any commission. There are companies charging you 5% to the 8% on every sale. I don't want to say those people business names on the live. You can go and check it out. If you people made 100 rupees, you need to pay the 8 rupees to the company, 8 rupees to the other company. Again you need to pay the 2% to the payment gateway. Total, if you people are making 1 lakh rupees, 10,000 you are paying to the companies. But here we are not charging any particular of the okay commissions. All the power you people going to get with the free of cost. Just you people need to have with the payment of the gateways. Once after, simply go back, click on the courses, check it out here, how to bring 1,000 people to webinar. That much of simple, whatever the one you also having. So there is a management of training, there is a marketing of training, there is a employees counselors of training, sales people of training. You can able to create multiple of the courses, okay, inside of your business. And once those people okay joined inside of your business, you can able to give access. Okay, so if you people join Accenture, so on XYZ of MNC company, what those people going to do first? Those people going to train you one to one? No. One person going to share the knowledge, KT, knowledge transfer people going to do after then. So having that particular knowledge, people need to complete the training videos. If you want to go with a few people, go with manual. If you want to go with the unlimited of people, then you need the setups and scaling. So once after you people create, you people can able to access to your students directly. Some particular of companies, those people restrict. Whenever you people do the payment through the particular of the platform, then only you can able to give access. There are some companies. If you people, okay, if there is a student paid you directly through the Google Pay, you can't able to give access. You can't. You don't have any control. Those people are controlling your business. What you to do, what you not to do, all the things. You need the freedom. You people need the full of the particular of the okay actions what you want to take. That time you can able to grow however you want, right? Simply go here, I want to give this particular of access to the so and so xyz of person. How well you can able to manage the customer, let me show you. That is very important. Suppose I want to manage these customers, so let's take a person Kumar, a gent person. So you see here, the moment I select the contact, there is a clear of the contact details. The person which is having the tag, everything I can able to check it out. I can able to add the details, birthday, city, business details, each and everything. And then after, additional info. This is for my particular of the custom of the data. You see here, okay, so the person previous paid for my workshop also. Okay, if you are a Kumar, okay, listening this one, so you see here, so you paid for this particular one. And then after, whatever the details I want to collect, I can able to add here. I want to give one course access to the Sons XYZ Kumar. Click on this community and go to the not enrolled. All the courses, whatever I have created. You can see how to bring 1,000 people to webinar. Click on the grant access. That's it. Now person the enrolled. So if Kumar log into this particular software, the person automatically going to get access to this particular of the course just by having the community.leveluppers.com. We no need to give manually to the particular one. Even automatically also you can able to give that already I shown you. You see here, and in this automation, if the person is my particular customer, client, it is the one going to give the automatic course access. Manually, I no need to, even I no need to go to the contact and give the specific of the community and give access. Even I no need to do that. Automatically, it is going to give access. So there is a first particular of the course access, that is our SEO, and second access, it is going to give the AI tools, and third access, it is going to give the Google ads, and fourth access, it is going to give the YouTube ads. Single time of the creation, single time of the setup, single time of the automations. Behind, just you people need to play however you want. The moment you people bring more customers, it is going to be an automated. That's it. All the powers I have delivered to you.